Hey guys, so this is going to be a dog vlog, which is kind of awkward to say because it sounds weird, but yeah. So let's go on to see my dog. Okay, so this is Rocky. He'll when you say lay down or something like that, stay or whatever you want to say to him, he'll just do it. So, yeah, that's Rocky. Say hi to Rocky. Oh, Rocky. And he loves giving kisses, so, yeah. And this is Maya. She's a husky. Oh, my God. Oh, did I say how old Rocky was? Rocky is 9 years old. Rocky's the other dog that you saw. This is Maya. She's a husky. And she is 3 or 4. I'm not really sure, but yeah. This is Kibbles. She's a shitzu. Yes. They all love her. She gets kind of scared and angry. You know how dogs are. When you make this certain kind of noise, I don't want to do it. Oh, she'll hate me for a week. But yeah. I do, not a lot, but she walks very slow and everything like that, you know. So cute. Yeah, she does. So cute, so cute. So cute, so cute. So cute. Those are all the dogs, and I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, well. Bye.